There is a clear distinction between freedom of speech and the deliberate act of defamation of character. And what is unfolding before us is defamation of character. It is the deliberate and malicious intent to slaughter one's image and name and good honor. And what saddens me even more is that there is this uprise that supports it. When our children act out, we call them rude. But do we pay attention to how adults conduct themselves? Children are mimicking that. So yes, we want our children to be able to have the freedom to express themselves. But when you have persons that are using their platforms to deliberately try to rip someone's life asunder, with political aspirations, I might add, when do we or where do we draw the line? Where is the professionalism in what we do? This minister hasn't made any laws. I'm enforcing them, but our problem has been, and I've said this several times, due to our lack of enforcement, persons have gotten accustomed to St.Maarten not running the way she should. And as Minister of Justice, I have come with a new approach. I don't expect it to necessarily stop, but I ain't stopping neither. I will not be intimidated. I will not be made to feel like as though I cannot do my job as I am hired to do, because there are persons in our community who feel like they run things.